Lower Bay, one of our absolute favourite beaches on the island of Bequai. You can actually walk here from Port Elizabeth, the island's main town, and it's such a fun and picturesque stroll. Starting from Port Elizabeth, take the Belmont Walkway. You'll pass Moran's, which is definitely worth a stop for ice cream or her amazing homemade yoghurt. Along the way, there are plenty of great restaurants. Max Pizza is one of our top picks so far. Keep walking past the Plantation Hotel, and at the end of the small beach you'll find a few steps leading up and over to Princess Margaret Beach. Stroll along the sand, maybe stop for a cocktail at Jack's Beach Bar. We can recommend the Soursop Colada, or grab a drink from Faye's Beach Bar. At the end of Princess Margaret Beach, head up the steps, cut through a small walkway and follow the road down the hill, and there it is, Lower Bay. If you're driving instead, parking is easy, just find a space along the beach. Lower Bay has soft golden white sand and calm, safe waters for swimming, though as always, keep an eye on the sea conditions. If you love collecting sea glass, this is the treasure trove. Snorkeling is best down at the far end of the beach. Right on the sand, you'll find the Reef Restaurant, great food, delicious rum punch, and even amongst red sunbeds. There's also Cuban beachside, which we haven't tried yet, but it looks fantastic. Just beyond the beach are a few more local spots, including Dawn's, a great little place for food and drinks. Lower Bay has that perfect, laid-back Caribbean vibe, simple, beautiful, and effortlessly relaxing. If you're visiting Bequai, make sure you don't miss it. And for now, just enjoy the views.